Have you ever wondered where your body's energy comes from? Meet the tiny power stations inside your cells. Mitochondria. The most important thing for your cells to operate is oxygen. These power stations, the mitochondria, need a huge amount of oxygen to efficiently turn the food you eat into fuel, ATP. Think of your cell like a phone. It needs power to function, and the mitochondria are the charging battery. However, over time, from stress or just aging, these hard-working power stations get worn out. They start producing less energy and more waste, which is those harmful free radicals. When this happens, you feel it as tiredness, a lack of stamina, and general fatigue. Fortunately, molecular hydrogen, H2, is amazing because it is the only molecule small enough to easily penetrate right inside the mitochondria. Once inside, hydrogen quickly cleans up the toxic waste, free radicals, right at the source, allowing the power station to run smoothly and powerfully again. By protecting and boosting your mitochondria, hydrogen helps you produce more natural energy and enjoy better vitality every day. You can easily introduce this powerful molecule through hydrogen-rich water or H2 gas inhalation. Ready to upgrade your cellular health? Learn how molecular hydrogen can help you feel better, move faster, and live healthier. Explore the power of H2 today.